Welcome back to the Chakra Healing Series. In the last episode, we explored what chakras are, where they come from, and what science says about them. Today, I'm answering the 10 most common questions people ask about chakras. These are the questions that come up again and again, from beginners, from skeptics, and from people who have been on their spiritual journey for years. Let's get into it. Question 1. How do I know if my chakra is blocked? This is the most asked question of all. The truth is, your body is already telling you. You just need to know what to listen for. A blocked root chakra feels like chronic anxiety, financial fear, or feeling unsafe in your own life. A blocked heart chakra feels like difficulty trusting people, walls around your emotions, or an inability to receive love. A blocked throat chakra feels like constantly swallowing your words, people-pleasing, or feeling like your voice doesn't matter. Each chakra speaks through your emotions, your physical body, and your patterns. In this series, we'll do a full test for each one, so you'll know exactly which of yours need attention. Question 2. Can everyone heal their chakras, or do you need special abilities? Everyone can, no exceptions. You don't need to be psychic. You don't need years of spiritual training. You don't need to be born with a gift. Chakra healing works through very practical methods: breathwork, sound, movement, meditation, and intention. These are tools available to every single human being. The only thing you need is consistency and a willingness to look inward. Question 3. How long does it take to open a chakra? There is no single answer, and anyone who tells you otherwise is not being honest with you. Some people feel a shift within days. Others work on the same chakra for months before something releases. What I can tell you is this: the more consistently you practice, the faster the results. 5 minutes of focused breath work every day will do more than 1 hour-long session once a month. Chakra healing is not a one-time event. It is a daily relationship with your own energy. Question 4. Do chakras have anything to do with religion? Chakras originated in Hindu and Buddhist traditions, so yes, they have spiritual roots. But working with chakras does not require you to adopt any religion, belief system, or spiritual practice. Think of it this way: acupuncture originated in ancient Chinese medicine, but millions of people use it today simply because it works, regardless of their beliefs. Chakras are a map of human energy. You can use the map without subscribing to any particular worldview. Question 5. Is it possible to have too much energy in a chakra, not just too little? Absolutely, and this is one of the most misunderstood aspects of chakra work. Chakras are not just blocked or open. They can also be overactive. An overactive root chakra can look like materialism, hoarding, or being obsessed with security to the point of controlling everything around you. An overactive heart chakra can look like codependency, losing yourself in others, or giving so much you have nothing left. The goal is not to open every chakra as wide as possible. The goal is balance, a steady, sustainable flow of energy through all 7 centers. Question 6. What's the difference between chakra healing and therapy or medicine? They are not the same thing, and chakra healing is not a replacement for professional medical or psychological care. If you are experiencing a serious physical illness, mental health condition, or trauma, please seek qualified professional support. What chakra work does is complement that support. It works on the energetic level, the layer of your being that therapy and medicine don't always reach. Many people find that chakra practices help them process emotions more effectively, sleep better, feel more grounded, and develop greater self-awareness. It's a tool, a powerful one, but not a substitute. Question 7. Do children have chakras? Can chakras be affected from childhood? Yes, and yes. Children are born with fully functioning chakras, and the experiences of childhood have a profound impact on how those chakras develop. A child who grows up in an environment of instability or fear often develops a blocked root chakra that follows them into adulthood. A child whose emotions were regularly dismissed may develop a blocked heart chakra. This is one of the reasons chakra healing can be so powerful. It helps us heal not just what is happening now, but what has been held in our energy body for years or even decades. Question 8. Can you feel your chakras physically? Many people can, though it often takes practice. Common sensations include warmth or tingling at a chakra location, a feeling of pressure or tightness, a sense of pulsing or spinning, or when energy releases, sudden emotion like tears or a deep exhale. Some people feel nothing at first, and that's completely normal. Sensitivity to your own energy field develops over time, just like any other skill. The more you practice meditation, breathwork, and body awareness, the more clearly you will begin to feel the subtle signals your energy system is sending you. Question 9. Are crystals, colors, and mantras necessary for chakra healing? They are tools, not requirements. Crystals, colors, mantras, essential oils, yoga poses. These are all ways of working with the energy of a particular chakra. They can be deeply supportive, but the most powerful tool you have is your own attention. Where you place your awareness, energy follows. A focused breath directed toward your heart chakra will do more than any crystal placed on your chest if you're not also present with your intention. Use the tools that resonate with you. Leave the ones that don't. Question 10. Where should I start? Do I work on all 7 chakras at once or one at a time? Always start with the root chakra. The chakra system is a hierarchy. Each one builds on the one below it. You cannot sustainably open your heart chakra if your root is unstable. You cannot access your intuition through the third eye if your throat chakra is silencing your truth. Think of it like a building. You don't start with the roof. You start with the foundation. In this series, that's exactly what we're going to do. We'll move from the root to the crown, one chakra at a time, giving each one the full attention it deserves. Those are the 10 most asked chakra questions, and I hope the answers gave you clarity. The next episode in this series is one I am particularly excited about. Is your chakra blocked? We'll go through each chakra one by one and give you a real test, so you know exactly where your energy needs support. If you found this helpful, subscribe, leave a comment with your biggest chakra question, and I'll answer it in a future episode. I'll see you next time.